Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. We'll do a full update on Bitcoin so that you know what to expect from it, but also in general from the markets. I mean, a lot is still correlated with Bitcoin, as you can see. There's some coins like Dusk, Pendle, Gala earlier today that are not so correlated, but most of the market is correlated. So if you know what Bitcoin is going to do, you know what the market is going to do. Yesterday we were pretty spot on. What we said is that, you know, in general, when we're talking about the market structure right now for Bitcoin, I think, and I've said this countless times, right? So we don't need to get into depth about this, but I think the structure we are in is a consolidation between 57 and 62,000. We're waiting for a big breakout, but we're basically bouncing in that range, right? We're ranging. We're neither bullish nor bearish. And then if you really zoom out, I think we're bullish, all right? I think this last 3-day candle wasn't too great, but the last weekly candle was still great. We still could see some sort of a recovery over the course of the weekend and the next 3 days, trying to get that candle close above 61,000, which would be very, very bullish as well. So that's something to watch, all right? That happens quite often. That's towards the weekly candle closing, but also the monthly candle closing. You have some sort of push to try to save that candle, right? Because if the candle closes right here, it's not too great. But if it closes at 61,000 or above that, technically we are very bullish, all right? So that's something to watch. But like I said, on the 4-hour time frame, which is the main time frame I operate on, I think we're neutral. And that's also what we saw yesterday, right? So yesterday what I said is that, you know, we hit the bottom. I think it's likely we're going up to 62,000. However, I don't think we'll break out. So that happened, all right? So far we were spot on. But the thing is that it doesn't matter that much what happens in this range. What matters is the breakout. And at this point of time, unfortunately, I still don't really see a breakout. We had some sort of a bounce earlier this morning, but that was mainly short positions closing. And you can see again, like we had some long positions opening as well, and some more short positions being closed here. So I do think we see some sort of a bounce again here. But it could really be 50-50 because it's either we drop back down into this bottom of the range and from there we get back up, or we move back up to the top here at around 62,000 and then we're back at the top of the range. Either way, I don't really see any way we would break out. The momentum is not really indicating any momentum in each direction, right? So neither bullish nor bearish, which you could also see as a good thing. And then later today, and I think that's interesting, like in general, last Friday was very bullish, right? So that's good. Sometimes that repeats, even though last Friday we did have some specific fundamentals explaining the move. But today, we also have the PCE price index at 230, UTC plus 2. That's pretty major, all right? So the effect of that and the outcome of that, yesterday we had some relatively negative or relatively bearish economic data from the US. If we actually get some sort of a lower than expected reading or lower than expected outcome here, that could be the catalyst to push us above 61 and potentially 62,000, which, like I said, I think that's the level to break, specifically 61,600. So that's a possibility, but I'll keep you updated on that in the middle of the day market update. All right. For now, I don't see any. I don't have any expectation, and I would even go as far as saying I think it's most likely we will pull back here before getting back up to the top of the range here. But that's just a prediction in expectation of this market structure holding, right? That would be logical. But those are my thoughts. Those are my thoughts for now. Like I said, I'll keep you updated on Bitcoin and the markets later today as well. So keep an eye out for that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.